Good evening, welcome to my channel. I'll be sharing another update on another translation and transcription website, which is scribie.com. So if this is your first time watching my video, come to subscribe to my channel, like it, and share my video. So this is I'll be showing how to go about Scribie or scribie.com. So what's Scribie all about? You just have to know about it just by coming to the solution and knowing more what they are all about. As you can see, they offers a various service that you can actually connect with them. Like you are also interested in helping them to work with their projects, and then they give you a minimum, they give you maybe like a percentage or any affiliate program under them. So as you can see, they have video transcription service, podcast transcription, academic transcription, and dissertation transcription, so legal transcription all day. So you can actually go more about and search for this on ChatGPT to know more about what legal transcription is all about, or marketing transcription and salmon transcription. So you can learn more about it. So how do we go about this and how to reach out to them? It's very simple and very easy. You don't need to like order anything or order now click on any or anything of that. You just have to scroll down to the last page of the website. So as you can see, you see that this give you has like there has a number they drop on their website. So you just have to copy it and reach out to them through WhatsApp, or you live chat them. So any of the two. And then you can also click on the support to reach out to them, or to like tell them that this is what actually we want, like this is what you are about doing. As you can see, you can also join their freelancers. Just click on it. So if you are unable to reach out to them through the WhatsApp and email and stuff like that, you can also reach out to them through their freelance, as you can see. So what is transcription? And N is how much can you earn in a month? So beginner $80 per month. So as you can see, let me not beginner, intermediate, you can earn $80 per month. Advanced, so you can earn $1,600 per month. So this is so Scribie is very very good and very easy. So you just have to reach out to them. That's it. After reaching out to them, and there is very easy. First thing I have to do, like as you can see, for the basic, or what's it called, beginner, just have to know how a good English comprehension, ability to interpret conversations, ability to apply contents and identify mistakes. A verified PayPal account is needed, laptop or desktop computer and internet connection. And that's not just like headphone or headset, So provided solely for purpose of illustration and estimation. So that's it. So same goes to intermediate and advanced also. So you just have to have all the requirements needed. So as you can see, they've been in business since 2008, and they are still working to now. So top 5 reasons to sign up. So you can also sign up just by reaching out to them. Just click on the sign up button, then you reach out to them by I'm also a freelancer seeking for job or projects that you can actually give out for me to handle. So that's how you do it. You just have to make sure that you write a proposal to them before doing any of these things. You can't just go and just tell them, hello, I want to do blah blah stuff like that. Write a good proposal, talking, like explaining what you can do, explaining every service that that relates with translation and transcription. So just make sure you put everything, all the detailed information there, and telling them about your experience or work. Maybe you have 5 years, you have 5 years experience and stuff like that. And always make sure that you input some of your previous projects, like make use of portfolio and resume to make them down like, wow, this person is very ready for this job. So that's how I do it. So if you really enjoy my video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like it, and share my, and if there's any question you want to ask, can you comment on my video? I'll reply to your question. Thanks for watching.